Hi everyone! Today we'll explore the magic of Agile project planning. In this session, we'll learn about initiatives, features, epics, and user stories, the core building blocks that drive successful software development. This content will prepare you for interviews. So let's dive in. Initiatives are the guiding stars of our development journey. They represent our high-level strategic goals. Let's take a real example. Our initiative is to create an advanced workout app. That's our destination. Step 2, features. Features are the individual pieces of functionality that make our app great. Think of them as the various exercises in our workout routine. For our advanced workout app, features could include workout logging and progress tracking. Step 3. Epics are the thrilling challenges that bring related features together, just like training programs targeting specific muscle groups. In our case, the fitness challenge epic will unite workout loggings and personal goals will unite progress tracking. Step 4. User stories. User stories put our users front and center. They capture their needs and desires in simple language. Imagine a user saying, as a fitness enthusiast, I want to log my daily workouts easily to track my progress. That's a user story that drives our development. Finally, our advanced roadmap that outlines the path to success. It's like a well-crafted training plan that takes us from where we are to where we want to be. Look at the timeline. In the first quarter, we'll focus on workout logging, and in the second quarter, we'll conquer progress tracking to achieve our goal. And there you have it, the key components of Agile project planning. That is initiatives, features, epics, and user stories that will guide you on your software development journey. Remember, just like in fitness, it's about breaking down big goals into manageable steps. Thank you for watching this video. If you really liked it, please like and subscribe and share with your friends. I'll be sharing more videos just like that. Thank you. Bye.